everybody, welcome to Vitatri. A very good evening. Ee roju live session lo mana beautiful Koras fancy sarees chusada. Very beautiful sarees today. The collections are so pretty and name kattukunnadi kuda one of the Kora saree. So this saree is a light cream color with two shades border. You can see the pink and orange color mixed, which is with the silver weave, and the body of the saree is very lightweight with tiny motifs running all around. So ee roju collections anni kuda chaala beautiful ga unnayandi, which needs to be in your wardrobe kind of sarees anamata. So live mottham kuda skip cheyakunda full ga chudandi. I am sure definitely you will love all the sarees, and sarees price range kuda everything is at under budget. So you will love all the sarees, and మీరు కనుక శారీని ఆర్డర్ చేయాలనుకుంటే ఈ నెంబర్కి ఆర్డర్ చేయొచ్చు 7396382067. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద నెంబర్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఆర్డర్ ఆన్. మీకు నచ్చిన శారీని మీరు స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసి మా టీమ్కి మెసేజ్ చేయొచ్చు, సచ్ దట్ యూ కెన్ బ్లాక్ యువర్ ఫేవరెట్ శారీస్ బికాస్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఇస్ అట్ బడ్జెట్ రేంజ్ కాబట్టి, అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ కలర్స్ కూడా ఓన్లీ సింగిల్ కలర్స్ అండ్ సింగిల్ పీస్ ఉంది. సో లెట్స్ మూవ్ ఆన్ టు ద లైవ్. This is the red color. It's a Kora saree. Very beautiful. మనకి చూడడానికి చాలా లైట్ నెట్ మెటీరియల్ లా కనిపిస్తుందండి, బట్ ఇట్స్ సో సాఫ్ట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ నెట్ మెటీరియల్. And the body of the saree is having pink and orange color florals running throughout the saree. Beautiful motifs, and border వచ్చేసి మనకి plain golden color border వస్తుంది. Same size borders running on either sides, and this is the pallu. Such a beautiful pallu, fancy combination ostundi with red and orange color designs, and we have got a thread finish, a beautiful finish, and the blouse. So blouse vachesi manaki shimmery shade of blouse ostundandi. So this is a perfect fit. You can pair it up like that, and the saree price is is 3299. As I said, these are the Vitatri special collections which are at an affordable cost today. You can pick your favorite saree by taking a screenshot and messaging to our team. This is light green, so beautiful and light combination. This comes under a pastel group, and this is for all the people who loves the light colors. And the body of the saree is having pastel color florals running throughout the body, and two plain golden color borders running on either sides. Very beautiful looking. And this is the pallu, same as the previous one. Such a elegant combination, and thread work kuda ostundandi manki. And this is the blouse. So blouse is very beautiful, shimmery shade of blouse, which is a contrast. If you want, we can even try the other color blouses as well. And the price is 3299. The colors are very beautiful today. This is pink color, ladies favorite color. I'm sure definitely everyone loves this color. Light baby pink with little contrast pink color border. Very beautiful and elegant. And the body of the saree is having beautiful motifs and two borders, two zari borders. You can see the florals running on the border. Very beautiful, and the saree is Kora saree only, which is at affordable cost. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team. And this is the pallu, very beautiful pallu. Combination kuda chaala chakkaga undi, and thread finishing kuda vachindi manaki ee sarees ki. And this will be the blouse combination anamata. So blouse is also beautiful, so you can see. And the saree price is 3099. So you can see all the sarees are like below 4000, which are at a very affordable cost. And these sarees need to be in your wardrobe only. Anta beautiful sarees and lightweight, which will be suitable for all the fancy occasions. And మన టెంపుల్ కి కూడా చాలా బాగుంటుంది, లైట్ వెయిట్ సారీస్ కదా. అండ్ ఈ సారీ వచ్చేసి మనకి లైట్ పేస్టల్ గ్రీన్, విచ్ కమ్స్ అండర్ a pastel group, and the body of the saree is having tiny motifs and two zari borders running on either sides, which is with florals and a silver color zari work. Such a lovely saree. And this is the pallu, very beautiful contrast pink and green. Manaki almost all the sarees ki kuda thread finishing vastundi. And here is the blouse. So such a beautiful blouse. You can pair up with beautiful necklace, stone necklace, chala bagundi. These kind of sarees, and the price is 3599. one more light color. So Kora sarees are always lightweight sarees and chala baaguntundi sarees kuda. Even the material is so soft and the quality kuda chala chakkaga untundi. And this saree is having pastel color motifs running all over the saree, which is very bright and elegant, beautiful color, and two golden color borders running on either sides. This is the pallu. This is the light pallu combination. And the blouse. So blouse వచ్చేసరికి మనకి ఇలా వస్తుందండి. This is how we can pair up. We can put some bells, sleeves or stone work type of blouse. And this is priced at 3,199. This is one of my favorite color. This color suits for everyone and all the age groups. Color combination kuda chala chakkaga undi, which is maroon color. And the body of the saree is having red and orange color florals and a beautiful design running all over the body, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is golden in color, very beautiful. This is the pallu. Pallu is also pretty and fancy, such a beautiful one. Thread finishing could also manki, so we don't need to go with extra work. And this is the blouse. So the blouse is with self-embossed pattern, and this is the combination, very beautiful. And this saree is priced at 3,299. We are also shipping these sarees worldwide only, so you can just order from wherever you are. We will be happy to ship for you. This is light peach pink color with dark pink color border. This comes under the pastel group again, and the body of the saree is having tiny motifs and two zari borders running on either side, which is pink in color, and the florals with silver weave. Such a beautiful saree and lightweight saree. This is the pallu. Such a classy look, simple and classy. And for this we have got a blouse with same combination and self-embossed pattern. So this is how we can team up. And this saree is priced at 3,599. So almost all the sarees are like below 4,000 only, which are at the best offer price with our three special collections. This is sandal color with pink color border, such a beautiful one, and you can even see the florals on either sides of the border. Such a beautiful saree with motifs running all over the body. For orders you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will assist you. And this is the pallu, which is in pink color, very beautiful and classy. And this is the blouse. So the blouse is with self-embossed pattern and same combination. If you want, even we can try some contrast colors. And the saree price is 3,599. You can even visit our store, which is Vithatri Shopping Mall, PDP Lane, Vijayawada, and we are open till 9 PM every day. This is one more beautiful color, peach color. This is like a soft net material, you can see, very lightweight Kora saree, and the body of the saree is having pastel color florals and two thin borders running on either sides, which is golden in color. Very lovely saree and the color kuda chala chakkaga undi. And this is the pallu with a fancy combination. Looks very elegant, simple and elegant, and you can even see the thread finish. And this is the blouse with self-embossed pattern, very beautiful. And this saree is priced at 3,299. This is one more lovely color. It's a unique color combination, so rare color. This is light yellow color saree, and the body of the saree is having pink color designs running all over, which is like a mango shaped designs, very different and elegant, and two plain borders running on either sides. And this is the pallu. So pallu is classy combination with pink color florals. You can see that the detailing is very clear. And this is the blouse. So this is how we can pair up. We can even go with some stonework or something to make it look more elegant. And this is priced at 3,299. All the sarees are at below 4,000 only, which is at affordable cost with our three special collections. And you can pick your favorite saree. This is maroon color shade, and this has red pink color florals running throughout the body with the designer. Such a beautiful motifs running all around and two thin borders running on either sides, which is golden in color. Very beautiful color combination. This is the pallu. So pallu has orange and green color florals, looking very simple and classy. Manam single ga kuda flaunt chesukochandi. Such a beautiful saree. And this is the tema. Color combination is pretty with self embossed pattern. And the saree price is 3,299. We have got some few more collections. Do stay on the live and watch the collections. So this is light pink color. This also comes under the pastel group, and the body of the saree is having beautiful motifs, which is pink and peach in color. You can see the detailing and very clearly. That much beautiful it is. And the border is having the florals, which is very evident with golden color weave. Such a beautiful saree. Color combination kuda chala chakkaga undi. And this is the pallu. So you can even see the pallu with self embossed designs. That the designs ustundi like motifs. And this is the blouse. So the blouse is different and beautiful. So this is the pair up. And for this we have got the price is 2,699. We'll see one more color. Yes, this is one of the beautiful color again. This is light lemon yellow shade. So lemon yellow shade meeda you can see the colorful florals, which is blue, yellow and pink. Very beautiful and different. Even the saree material is very soft and two thin borders running on either side, which is having diamonds. Such a beautiful color saree. Hope you loved it. Please to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this is the pallu with wavy lines and patterns. Very pretty with golden zari. And this is the thread finish. All the sarees has got the thread finish only. And this is the blouse with self embossed pattern, and this is the tema. And this saree price is 3,299. So almost all the sarees today comes under the pastel group. Very light color sarees, subtle colors. This is also one of the subtle color, light green color, and the body of the saree is having beautiful designs, which is pink in color, very light pink, and two diamond shaped design borders running on either sides, which is very evident. Such a lovely color combination. This is the pallu. So pallu comes always with a classic combination in this type of sarees, and we have got a thread finish as well. And this is the blouse. So the blouse is pretty. If you want, even we can try the contrast colors like pink or peach color. And this is priced at, so for this price you have to message to our team only. This is one more lovely color. So main veskune saree lo you can see dual color borders, but this is only single color border. That's the difference. So this saree is light creamish white color, and the body of the saree is also having the same white color booties running all over, and the silver zari floral borders running on either sides, which is very beautiful. Color kuda chala chakkaga undi. One of the traditional color which suits for all the occasions. Manchi traditional occasions ki kaani, evening dinners ki kaani baaguntundi. And this is the pallu. It's a pink color pallu with thread finish, and this is the blouse. So this is how we can team up. We can go with the bell sleeves, and the saree price is 3,599. One more color. So this also comes into the pastel group, which is peach in color, light peach, and the body of the saree is having beautiful booties running all over. Such a beautiful design saree, and two borders which is having florals and cross lines running on either sides. Very beautiful color combination. And this is the pallu. So pallu has also got some different design pattern. Thread finish kuda ochindi. And the blouse. So the blouse comes like this only, with like a light netted pattern, and the saree price is 3,099. This is one more lovely color. This is olive green color combination, which is very beautiful, And the body of the sari is having pink and orange color florins and a beautiful design running all over the sari, and two thin borders running on either sides, which is golden color. Very beautiful, and color kuda andarki baga set avutundi for all the age groups. For orders, you need to take the screenshot and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And this is the pallu with classic combination, and the pink and orange is evident. We have got a thread finish, and this is the blouse. So this is the pair up, very beautiful, and the price is 3,299. This is one more lovely color. This is light creamy shade under sandal color sari, and this sari has the peach color mango designs running all over the sari. So we have some color options in this type of design only. For that you can inquire our team and they will show you the patterns and designs. And this has got two thin borders running on either sides, and this is the pallu. So pallu has got some simple and elegant finish, and the blouse. So the blouse is also beautiful with small brocade designs, and this is the pattern. We can go with half sleeves or till the elbows, and the price is 3,299. This is one of my favorite color. This is light pink color only, very beautiful. It's attractive too, and indaka manam choosina saree same type, but this is a color difference. Ee saree meeda kuda manaki same pattern vastundi, which is mango design running all over the saree, and two thin borders running on either sides. This is the pallu. So the pallu is with classy finish, and it's looking very lovely. And the blouse. So the blouse is very pretty, which is the contrast color combination, and this is how we can team up. We can go with the bell sleeves, and the saree price is 3,299. And this is the last one for today from the collection of Kora sarees. Hope you are loving the live session today. The sarees are very pretty. So this saree is light cream color, which has the pastel patchworks running all over the body, very beautifully designed, and two thin borders running on either sides, very beautiful and elegant. This is the pallu with the classy finish, and we have got the thread work kurandi, and this is the blouse. So this is how we can team up. Looking very beautiful. Manam oxidized jewelry is used cheyachu, and this saree is priced at 3,199. I hope you loved the live session today. మేము live session ni malli save chestamu. You can go through the live again, and you can take the screenshot of your favorite saree and message to our team such that they will get back to you. And for orders, you can call on 739-638-2067. And we'll be back within 15 minutes in Vidatri Patuchira page, which is in Instagram. You can catch us over there, and till then we are signing off here.
మీరు ఎక్కడ ఉండిపోయారేంటి?
సిగ్నల్ లేదనుకుంటా. అక్కడ ఆగిపోయింది.